Simple example.
Indirect variation.
Consider this car. This car travels a fixed distance to reach this finish line. Assume the car travels at a very low speed initially. Let us see how long it takes to reach the finish line. Well, it took the car really long to cross the line. Now assume that the car travels at a normal speed. It took long, but it was definitely faster than the time it took in the previous case. Remember, the distance is constant in both the cases. Now assume that the car travels fast. Well, it took the car about 3 seconds to reach the finish line. And in the last case, assume that the car travels at a super fast speed. Well, it took the car less than 2 seconds to reach the finish line. This is indirect variation. As the car traveled faster, the time taken to reach the finish line is reduced. As the speed increases by a certain factor, the time taken decreases by the same factor. To be precise, we can say that as the speed is scaled up by a factor, the time taken is scaled down by the same factor. In the next video, we will understand this example with numbers.
VTechacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss inverse proportion. So let me explain this concept with example over here. So here, number of men engaged in a work and the time they take to finish it. So here, if the two quantities are so related that an decrease in one causes a corresponding increase in the other, or vice versa, then they are said to be in inverse proportion. Now let us see two quantities x and y. So here, x is inversely proportional to y, which can be represented as x proportionate to 1 by y. So this is the condition for inverse proportion. Now let us solve a problem using this concept. So here 36 men can do a piece of work in 12 days. So in how many days 9 men can do it? So 36 men who can do work in 12 days can be written as 36 men for 1 by 12 days. Now let us assume 9 men can do a piece of work in 1 by x days. Now let us cross multiply it. So we get here 36 into 1 by x, which is equal to 9 into 1 by 12. As 36 is multiplying here, it divides. So we get here 1 by x is equal to 9 into 1 by 12 into 1 by 36. So here 9 one time is 9 and 9 four times is 36. That implies we get 1 by x is equal to 1 by 12 into 4, which is nothing but 1 by 48. So here 1 by x is equal to 1 by 48. So we can write this as x is equal to 48. So here 9 men can complete the work in 48 days. So this was a basic introduction on inverse proportion. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to VTechacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.